Operational principle of karma is causation. Causation theory, I just mentioned it previously. This is the universal law of karma. This law is very simple, I'll tell you. You see, it's very interesting also. What does this law say? Every effect has a cause. Obviously, अगर एक इफेक्ट हो तो उसका एक कॉज है. उसको हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं कार्य, उसको कहते हैं कारण. So this is a logic actually in Indian philosophy. कार्य कारण अनन्यत्व न्याय कहते हैं इसको. इसका मतलब है if there is an effect, it presupposes a cause, and the effect is not different from the cause. It is dependent on the cause. And if you want to remove the effect, you have to remove the cause. It's so simple, this theory. So now on this theory is based entire Karma Yoga. The laws of karma are based on this theory. What is the meaning of this? देखिए, whatever situation you are finding yourself in today, it is set into motion by what you have done in the past. Because every effect means there is a cause to it. And what you are going to do today is going to decide your future. है ना, अभी आप अच्छा पढ़ोगे and you put your mind, apply your mind to the things that it should be applied to, you will be very successful in the future. So cause and effect are always in relationship. This is what is called law actually. Law का मतलब है the relationship between a cause and an effect. A particular cause and a particular effect is what we call law. So the law of causation connects the cause and the effect. Now, does that mean that I have whatever forces have created my present, I have no hold over them? Can we change karma basically? Can we change or no? It is all fixed. Many people say this, यहाँ पर जो लिखा है वो fixed है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Only lazy people say this. You can change karma anytime through your will. This is the great glory of human life, that you have been given the freedom of choice, the freedom of will, the freedom of intention, and the freedom of identification also. Whether you choose to identify with the body or not at any given point of time, it's your choice. Whether you choose to identify with the mind, intellect, or any other object, it's your choice. You have been given all this freedom. Using this, what karma you produce, that is going to decide your destiny. इसका मतलब क्या है basically? You are in charge of your life. You are in charge of your future. It is not that it is all prefixed, predestined, and I cannot make changes. Through your will, through your decisions, through your right intentions, you can change anything in your life. So karma is not an absolute law. It's a relative law. विवेकानंद ये हमेशा बोलते थे, you are the creators of your destiny. You create your destiny through your karma. And he also used to say, you are what your thoughts have made you, so take care of what you think.